Ever wondered how the world of artificial intelligence could help you make money online? Well, buckle up, folks, because we're about to embark on a journey that's as thrilling as it is enlightening. The rise of artificial intelligence, or AI as it's more commonly known, has been nothing short of meteoric. What was once the stuff of science fiction has now become an integral part of our everyday lives. Now you might be thinking, sure, AI is great for helping me find the quickest route home or suggesting songs I might like, but can it really help me make money online? The short answer is yes. Absolutely, positively, without a doubt, yes. AI has the potential to revolutionize not just how we make money online, but the very concept of work itself. It's a game changer, a paradigm shifter, a whole new world of opportunity just waiting to be explored. In today's digital age, leveraging AI isn't just a smart move, it's a necessary one. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected and data-driven, those who fail to harness the power of AI risk being left behind. But for those who embrace it, the possibilities are practically endless. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can analyze market trends and predict consumer behavior with uncanny accuracy. Or a content creation tool that can generate high-quality articles, blog posts, or even entire books in a matter of minutes. Or an e-commerce platform that uses AI to personalize shopping experiences and maximize sales. These aren't just pie-in-the-sky ideas, folks. These are the realities of making money online with AI. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz or have a degree in computer science to take advantage of it. All you need is a willingness to learn and the courage to step out of your comfort zone. Now, I know this might all sound a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we're going to break it down for you step by step in plain English. So sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown. Now let's delve into some real-life cases of people who've successfully used AI to build their online wealth. Meet John, a stock trader who used AI to predict market trends. John was your average trader, crunching numbers, analyzing charts, and making predictions. But he knew there was a more effective way to navigate the tumultuous seas of the stock market. Enter artificial intelligence. John began using an AI tool to analyze market data. This wasn't just any tool. It was a sophisticated piece of technology that used machine learning to predict market trends. The AI tool took in vast amounts of data, from company financials to global economic indicators, even social media trends. It crunched all this data in real time, identifying patterns and trends that were invisible to the human eye. With this tool, John wasn't just keeping up with the market, he was staying ahead of it. The AI gave him insights into where the market was likely to go, not just where it had been. It was like having a crystal ball that could see into the future of the stock market. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. AI tools are complex and require a certain level of understanding to use effectively. John had to learn how to interpret the data the AI was giving him. He had to understand its limitations and know when to trust his own instincts. But he was determined to master this tool, and his tenacity paid off. John's trading game changed dramatically. He started making trades that he wouldn't have considered before, and they were paying off. His portfolio grew and he was making a lucrative income from his online trading venture. It was a far cry from his early days of manual analysis and gut feel decisions. John's story is not unique. Many traders are turning to AI tools to help them navigate the stock market. They're finding that these tools can give them an edge, helping them make better, more informed decisions. The stock market is a risky business, but with the right tools, it can also be a highly profitable one. John's story shows us that with the right AI tool, you can turn market analysis into a profitable online venture. Now let's talk about Jane, a content creator who used AI to optimize her online reach. Jane was a self-proclaimed wordsmith, a scribe of the digital age. She had a knack for weaving narratives that could captivate any reader. But despite her talent, her content was like a well-kept secret, hidden away in the vast expanse of the internet. Jane was desperate to expand her audience, to ensure her words were reaching as many eyes as possible. Enter artificial intelligence. Jane started using an AI tool to analyze her audience's behavior. This digital detective delved into the depths of data, examining patterns and trends in her audience's online activities. What time did they log on? What type of content did they engage with the most? What were their interests, their likes, their dislikes? The AI tool gathered all this information and more, painting a detailed picture of Jane's audience. With this newfound knowledge, Jane began to tailor her content accordingly. She adjusted her posting times to coincide with when her audience was most active. She started writing on topics that resonated with her audience's interests. She even tweaked her writing style, adopting a more conversational tone that her audience seemed to prefer. And the impact? Well, it was nothing short of revolutionary. Jane's online presence flourished. Her audience grew exponentially, her engagement rates skyrocketed, and her content was shared far and wide. And with this increased visibility, her online revenue also saw a substantial boost. The AI tool was Jane's secret weapon, her silent partner. It was like having a personal assistant who knew her audience inside out, who could provide insights that were both deep and actionable. It allowed Jane to focus on what she did best, creating engaging, compelling content, while the AI tool took care of the rest. Jane's success shows that using AI to understand your audience can significantly boost your online income. It's not about replacing the human touch, but enhancing it, making it more effective and efficient. In the digital age, AI isn't just an option, it's a necessity. And as Jane's story illustrates, it can be the key to unlocking your online potential. Next up is Dave, an e-commerce entrepreneur who harnessed AI to skyrocket his sales. Meet Dave, a savvy businessman who's always had an eye for the next big thing in technology. He's the mastermind behind a flourishing e-commerce venture that's been turning heads and emptying wallets. But Dave's secret sauce isn't just his knack for picking out trendy products. Oh no, Dave's got a secret weapon, and it's artificial intelligence. Dave's e-commerce business was doing all right, but he wanted more. He wanted to understand his customers better, to anticipate their needs before they even knew what they wanted. That's where AI came in. Dave integrated AI into his e-commerce platform, using it to analyze customer behavior. This AI was no ordinary tool. It was a relentless observer, always learning, always adapting. It studied buying patterns, analyzed browsing habits, and even picked up on the subtlest of signals that customers probably didn't even realize they were giving off. It was like an all-seeing eye, quietly watching, tirelessly working to understand each individual customer. And what did the AI do with all this information? It personalized the shopping experience for each customer. It knew what they wanted, when they wanted it, and how they wanted to see it. The AI curated product recommendations, tailored email marketing campaigns, and even adjusted the website's layout based on individual preferences. Now, here's the kicker. After Dave implemented AI, his sales didn't just increase, they skyrocketed. The AI's personalized approach resonated with customers. They felt understood, they felt valued, and most importantly, they felt compelled to buy. The surge in sales was no coincidence. It was a testament to the power of AI in understanding and catering to customer behavior. Dave's story isn't just about a successful e-commerce entrepreneur, it's about how AI can revolutionize the way we do business, transforming the ordinary into extraordinary. Dave's experience teaches us that AI can be a game changer in the e-commerce industry. As we've seen from John, Jane, and Dave, AI has the potential to significantly boost your online income. We've traversed the landscape of artificial intelligence, uncovering how these digital dynamos can be the catalyst for your online financial success. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key takeaways from our journey. Firstly, we delved into the world of AI stock trading. We saw how John used AI to predict market trends, enabling him to make strategic decisions that propelled his financial success. These tools are not just for Wall Street veterans. They are accessible and usable by anyone with a keen interest in the stock market and a willingness to embrace technology. Next, we met Jane, the AI content creator. Jane's AI tool crafts content that resonates with her audience, driving traffic to her blog and increasing ad revenue. This technology allows for high-quality content creation at a fraction of the time, freeing up Jane to focus on other aspects of her online business. Then there's Dave, the AI e-commerce entrepreneur. Dave uses AI to predict consumer behavior, personalize marketing, and optimize his online store. This has resulted in increased conversion rates and customer loyalty, proving that AI can be a game changer in the e-commerce industry. But remember, these are just 3 examples. The world of AI is teeming with possibilities. From AI chatbots for customer service to AI-driven SEO tools for better website visibility, the opportunities are endless. It's about finding the right AI tool that aligns with your goals and harnessing its potential to elevate your online income. Don't be intimidated by the complexity of AI. Embrace it. Experiment with it. Learn from it. Remember, every new technological advancement was once a mystery to us all. In the grand scheme of things, AI is just another tool in your toolbox. It's how you wield it that determines your success. So don't just stand on the sidelines. Get in the game. The world of AI is vast and full of potential. Dare to delve into it and you might just find your next gold rush.